Introducing automatic translation for Closed Caption Creator. In this tutorial, we'll show you step-by-step how to create multilingual subtitles. With Closed Caption Creator, you can translate closed captioning, subtitles, audio descriptions, and transcripts. First, click on the AI Tools option in the top toolbar. Then select Automatic Translation in the drop-down menu. This will open the Automatic Translation job form, where you can set up your translation. Next, select a service provider. Closed Caption Creator supports 8 different translation service providers, including DeepL, ModernMT, OpenAI, and Amazon Translate. Each service provider will have its own language options and support for different language pairs. After selecting a service provider, select your source language, which is the language of your original subtitles, and your target language, which is the language you want to translate to. Finally, hit the Submit Job button, and your system will create a translation job. Translation job status can be monitored using the Translation Job dashboard. Here you can search and monitor the status of translation jobs. When a translation job is complete, you can import the result into your project by selecting the job and clicking Import Translation. A new translation event group will be created for the translation text. Translations are non-destructive, which means the original language group is never altered. The new translation event group shows the original text and the AI translation side by side, making it easy for a user to review the translation accuracy. If you make changes to your original language event group later, don't worry. You can easily sync those changes with the translation event group to keep everything up to date. Go to the event group options and select Sync Changes from Linked Group. You have now successfully created multilingual subtitles in Closed Caption Creator. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this video useful. For more information, you can also visit our website at www.closedcaptioncreator.com.